Hello all, my name is Krish Naik and welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, a quick announcement. Google Colab Pro is now available in Brazil, France, Germany, India, Japan, Thailand and UK. Now if you don't remember guys, just a couple of months I had actually created a video called as Google Colab versus Google Colab Pro versus Colab and what is the benefits of using Colab Pro, how to access from India. I had actually shown you with the help of VPN. I basically made an account, then connected to the VPN in US and then tried to access Colab Pro because Google Colab Pro was just available in US region. Now in all the countries it has been expanded, even in India. And what are the benefits of Google Colab Pro? Just understand guys, it will be having faster GPU, longer run times and more memory. Yes, you will be having monthly charges of $9.99 per month, right? And this will be very much handy if you are trying to just execute some of your projects, some of your personal projects like deep learning projects, quickly train your models, and again from here you'll also be able to access Google Drive. Everything I had actually shown you in this particular video. Again, this link will also be given in the description. But let's just see what are the main advantages. The advantages with respect to this, and previously like the Google Colab that you are actually using, at that time you could see that when we are probably training a model for a longer period of time, the runtime used to get disconnected. You did not had much memory also over there, probably not much hard disk also. Now, and remember, you'll also was not getting that dedicated GPU to basically train your model. The GPU was also like a basic one. In this you'll also be getting a better GPU. That basically means access to faster GPUs and TPUs means you spend less turn weight while code is running. Longer running notebooks, this is the most important thing guys. Just imagine that in Colab, if I was just running or training a model for 5 minutes, it used to just get disconnected. And if you're training your deep learning models, we have to train it for more than 30 minutes and all, and then you have more memory, more RAM, more disk and all. Okay, if you really want to just go this, I have already bought this subscription of $9.99 per month just to use it. But I think guys, 600 rupees for this kind of task is more than sufficient. 600 to 700 rupees. If you want to see the Colab Pro in action, so here it is. What you have to do is that just go and change the runtime. So I'm just going to change the runtime over here. Now in the previous Colab version, like that is basically in the free Colab version, you'll just be able to see this. You'll be able to select GPU, but you'll not get this runtime shape or high RAM. If I click on high RAM and just save it, now you'll be seeing that it is connecting. I have already connected over here just to show you guys. In RAM you are actually getting somewhere around 25 GB, okay, and hard disk is somewhere around 147 GB, okay. And if I go and see what kind of GPU I've got Tesla V100, okay, SXM2, okay, and you'll basically be able to execute. Just see that how much time it is probably taking. You can train anything guys, any deep learning models and all. And let me just execute this. This is just connected, and again I have got the same RAM and all. If I just execute this first line of code, here you'll be able to see that what kind of GPU I'll be getting. Again, Tesla V100 XM2. Let me just search for Tesla V100. What is the price of this? Okay, because if you try to buy it, I don't know, it'll be a very major problem. So if I consider this, it is 16 or 32 GB. I think it is 32 GB or 16 GB. Where it is? Okay, it is 16 GB. Okay, 16 GB over here is your memory size. It is somewhere around $10,000. So just you can see an example of this, and probably it is very costly, and it is very difficult for us to buy. But I think now you will be able to train much more easily. Thank you for Google Colab for making this available for everyone. If you're planning to learn data science, probably if you're just taking for 5 months or 6 months, I think that will be more than sufficient to start. And one more thing that I really wanted to call out over here is that guys, if you have not used this, I've made a lot of tutorials with respect to Google Colab and all. You can also check it out. You can check out how to execute it and all. A lot of examples I've given it. One more thing over here is that you will also be able to connect it to your Google Drive. So just if you click it over here, just execute this, okay, from Google Colab, right? So here it will just say you to enter your authorization code. Click on this auth login page, okay. Over here you can see, just click on this just sign in. So just sign in over there, you'll be able to see the authorization code. That's it, and then you will be able to use this completely. So again, amazing news for all the countries where Google Colab has actually come. I'll again announce all the countries name wherever Google Colab Pro is available now. It is available on Brazil, France, Germany, India, Japan, Thailand, and United Kingdom. So congratulations everyone. Start using it, make a use of it, start learning, never give up. I'll see you all in the next video. Have a great day. Thank you, one doll. Bye bye.